Ever pondered the dynamics of alpha males, the assertive, dominant leaders who command attention and respect? Now let's shift gears and delve into the world of sigma males, the enigmatic, independent lone wolves who don't require a pack to thrive. Today, the focus will be on elucidating the sigma male persona, practical steps to embody this archetype, and outlining the advantages that come with it. Sigma males march to the beat of their own drum, carving out lives dictated by their own rules and cherishing their independence. They don't seek validation or approval from the crowd, nor are they swayed by societal norms. A sigma male is self-reliant, self-motivated, and self-assured. They view power games and social hierarchies with indifference, choosing instead to be their own leaders and bosses. The question then arises, how does one embody the persona of a sigma male? Here are some practical tips. Firstly, embrace your individuality. Do not conform to societal expectations or norms. Unleash your unique personality, viewpoints, and interests, even if it means standing out from the crowd. Secondly, cultivate independence. Don't hinge your happiness, success, or sense of worth on others. Take the reins of your own life, make your own choices, acquire new skills, seize opportunities, and chase after your own goals. Thirdly, foster self-confidence. Believe in your capabilities and potential. Don't let fear or self-doubt deter you from venturing into uncharted territories or taking risks. Trust your instincts and your judgment. Next, be assertive. Don't allow others to bulldoze over you or exploit you. Stand your ground, voice your thoughts, and ensure your words reflect your true intentions. Don't hesitate to disagree with others or to say no when necessary. Additionally, stay adaptable. Don't resist change or get stuck in a rut. Embrace new experiences and viewpoints. Be flexible and open to adjusting to varying situations and obstacles. Learn from your mistakes and failures. Moreover, nurture curiosity. Don't settle for the obvious or the conventional. Seek out new knowledge and information. Ask probing questions, challenge assumptions, and foster creativity and innovation. Lastly, maintain humility. Avoid arrogance or boastfulness. Recognize your strengths and weaknesses. Appreciate your achievements but don't become complacent. Respect others and their views but avoid idolizing them. In conclusion, embodying a sigma male can lead to a more fulfilling, successful, and content life. Unfettered by societal constraints or expectations, sigma males are free to carve out their own reality and live life on their own terms. They are not followers, but leaders of their own destiny. As we wrap up, I hope this exploration into the world of sigma males proved enlightening. If you found value in this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might also benefit. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more content aimed at personal growth and self-improvement. Leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts on sigma males and how you embody this archetype. Thank you for tuning in, and until the next video, keep striving for self-improvement.